Welcome to today's English practice video. You will see a short conversation on the screen. The waiter's lines are written for you, but the customer's lines are blank. That's your part. When it's your turn, speak out loud. You can use simple words or make longer sentences if you want. The goal is to practice speaking, just like in real life. Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella's Cafe. Of course, right this way. Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink? Still or sparkling? Are you ready to order or do you need more time? The grilled chicken is very popular. The pasta is also a favorite. Would you like rice, fries, or salad on the side? Great. Would you like a starter? Maybe soup or garlic bread? Excellent. And would you like dessert later? Of course, your food will be ready in about 15 minutes. Here's your garlic bread and water. And here's your grilled chicken with rice. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome. I'll come back to check on you soon.
Great job practicing today. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Try watching this video again and give different answers each time. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next lesson.